What if I told you that the secret to the next billion-dollar industry is hiding in plain sight, right on your TikTok feed? Today, we are breaking down 4 trends that aren't just going viral, they are completely rewriting the rules of wellness, beauty, and even education. Okay, so forget whatever you think you know about viral content. We're talking about a spa treatment so mesmerizing it's racking up billions of views, a beauty hack that's got salon owners sweating, a conversation that's literally changing lives, and a way of learning that's as addictive as your favorite video game. And the numbers behind these, they're just insane. Okay, you might want to brace yourself. First step, a mind-blowing 9,200% growth. And before you can even process that one, boom, here's another, 8,400%. And we are not done yet. Our final trend has absolutely skyrocketed by 1,580%. What on earth are these things? Let's break it all down. First up, prepare to be completely blissed out. We're diving into the trend that's basically redefining relaxation as we know it. So what's behind that crazy 9,200% growth? It's the Japanese head spa. And trust me, this is not just a shampoo and a head massage. It is a full-blown sensory experience that has the internet completely captivated. Yeah, forget your standard haircut. We're talking about these intricate, hour-long scalp massages that feel like they're just melting your stress away. We're talking deep cleansing rituals that leave you feeling reborn. And the whole thing is filmed in that mesmerizing, tingly ASMR style that you just can't look away from. It is so addictive that spas worldwide are literally rushing to add it to their menus just to keep up with demand. All right, from ultimate relaxation to a full-on beauty revolution, our next trend is taking a billion-dollar industry and putting its power right into your hands. And that 8,400% explosion in interest, well, that's the sound of the beauty industry being turned completely on its head by DIY lash clusters. This is not just some fleeting trend. This is a revolution happening in bathrooms all over the world. So why is this blowing up? It's actually really simple. You get the look of expensive salon extensions in just 10 minutes at home for a fraction of the cost. No appointments, no waiting around. It's all about accessibility, and that's why these tutorials are getting millions upon millions of views. And the fallout from this? Professional salons are actually starting to panic. This is a perfect example of how a simple, accessible DIY trend can send shockwaves through a massive established industry. I mean, who knew your at-home beauty routine could have such a huge economic impact? Now, we're going to shift gears. We're moving from trends that change how we look to a movement that's actually changing minds. Our next trend is a powerful and, honestly, a deeply important conversation that's unfolding online. We're seeing a 633% increase in conversations about something called autistic masking. Now, this isn't about a product you can buy. It's about a deeply personal experience that millions are now sharing, and it's opening eyes all over the world. So, what exactly is autistic masking? Well, it's the often exhausting process of hiding autistic traits to try and fit into a neurotypical world. And for the first time, social media is giving people a platform to share their raw, honest experiences with it, creating this powerful wave of education and empathy. And the impact is just as profound. You scroll through the comments on any of these videos, and you will see thousands of people saying, "I never knew there was a name for this." This trend is about so much more than just awareness. It's about creating a community and fostering a deeper understanding and acceptance of neurodiversity. All right, for our final trend, we are looking at a revolution that's making learning as addictive as your favorite game. Seriously, that 1,580% growth? That's the sound of boring textbooks being thrown out the window for good. Gamified learning is taking over, transforming education from a chore into a challenge you actually want to conquer. And it all comes down to this brilliantly simple, addictive loop. You compete in challenges, you earn points and rewards, and then you get to unlock achievements. It's the exact same formula that makes video games so compelling. And now it's being applied to everything from learning a new language with Duolingo to mastering complex coding. And here's why it's just so effective. It is literally hacking our brains. We're wired to love competition and rewards. So when learning feels like playing, it's not just more fun, it's more effective. The information actually sticks. So you've got Japanese head spas, DIY lashes, autistic masking, and gamified learning.
What do all these really have in common? What is the big picture here?
See, these trends aren't just random viral moments. They're like a window into our collective psyche. They show us what we are all secretly craving: more relaxation, smarter ways to save money, a deeper connection with each other, and a more engaging way to grow. And that right there brings us to the most important takeaway of all. Social media isn't just showing us what's popular anymore. It is a powerful engine that can create movements, disrupt billion-dollar industries, and change the global conversation, all in the blink of an eye.
So I have to know, which of these trends completely blindsided you? Have you found yourself lost in a Japanese head spa video trance? Or maybe you're already a DIY lash master? You gotta let me know in the comments.
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to understand the why behind what goes viral, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You will not want to miss what is coming next. Thanks for watching.